Namaste, welcome to Kannada presentation series Learn English through Indian Languages. We are presenting in this session the methodology and the tools to learn English through Indian languages. The methodology is called Yoga Sanskritam methodology. The tools we use are Kannada keyboard at Language Labs, digital setup by our programs. The prerequisite to learn Indian languages medium based English is have the hardware ready with Kannada keyboard installed, have the learning manual provided for this program, the school textbook with study lesson plan. How did we land up with this program? We identified the customer need. Who are our customers? Student learners. What is the age group of our audience? 10 to 16. Where do they learn? What is the learning environment? Language labs at schools. Where is the location of learning? Mainly at school and sometimes at home. How do they learn? Online, offline, digital mode, sometimes as a team or a group. What are the learning tools? Smart devices, maybe computers, maybe smartphones. The content comes in digital mode. It is school texts and other lessons. Who gives the learning help to the students? This is a teacher parent provided assistance. The parent or the teacher support, monitor, supervise and examine the student's learning. This learning can also be self-paced and computer-based testing models. What does the customer, our student, our learner expect? Technology supported English learning through Indian languages. Technology supported English and Indian language learning at schools, homes and work locations. If we detail the needs of our audience, the need is contextual, requirement is efficiency, and it has to be economical. If you break down this list, it becomes school English text learning, English language learning through Indian languages and language medium. The measure is improvement in exam scores. The skill acquired is conversational language skill useful for jobs. Digital literacy and numeracy skills needed to access web, mail communication, e-governance and business use of social media. Our aim in this endeavor is to give tools for use at schools and home, which will help teachers to teach through Indian languages and help students to learn English through Indian languages. What we aim to deliver in this program? How do we measure this? Students' comfort to use English in digital devices. This is a first measure. Students' comfort for spoken conversational English. By the end of our program, the initial training, the student will be able to practice, use first 100 English conversational and contextual sentences. They will acquire 500 plus English conversational and cultural vocabulary. They will learn data skills to key in, edit, format an English document. They will also acquire skills, data skills to generate English and Indian language multilingual document in one go. The students will be able to take and answer online texts in English. This will be very useful for several jobs or interactivities like digital surveys, driving license test, even classroom texts, other things. Eventually, these skills will evolve to the skills to use web, social media, both in English and Indian languages without recourse to Romanization. We will explain what is Romanization eventually. As an enterprise, we support and facilitate digital English literacy and numeracy at schools. This is root level action to facilitate, support, promote, enhance, enrich implementation of National Policy 2019. Why do we rethink of this new approach? English phonetics, grammar and communication vocabulary forming is different from the ways of Brahmi language culture. An example, there is one single word uncle to denote a relation. But is it maternal uncle, paternal uncle, or generic usage is difficult to say in English. But in Indian languages, the vocabulary formed has multiple dimensions of relations and cultural context built into that. If someone says Jai Shri Ram, it becomes a prayer. If someone says Ram Naam Satya Hai, the same Ram Naam becomes a pointer to the end of life. So there is a contextuality and cultural element built in the vocabulary. This is also there for English. Digital literacy and numeracy promotion at India needs unique hardware and unique language instructions. Methodology to work in 26 Indian languages which are deeply connected with Brahmya origins need use of non-Roman script and non-English like grammar and phonetics. Why English language learning methods cannot be directly adapted to learn use for Indian languages? There is a language difference. English is not the native, natural or cultural language of India. Culture difference. Vocabulary and sentence communication differ vastly across languages. The third, digital models and layout difference. Digital layout of Indian languages over Roman alphabet set and layouts does not truly represent the phonetic design of Brahmi Indian languages. So, before starting, please go by the sequence in which instructions are provided for learning in Yoga Sanskritam methodology. Our goal is to empower students to learn lessons, school lessons in textbooks. Become competent and comfortable to work with screen-based examination and text-related tests. Yoga Sanskritam methodology is not constrained to teach language and given text in the text lesson sequence as printed. We deliver the goal. Digital literacy model pedagogy is different from classroom classical student teacher text centric methods. With all this, how do we measure what is the matrix for validating this methodology called Yoga Samskritam? We have a measure matrix using words per minute, which is used for testing the speed of keying in the characters. This is mainly used in the context of a typewriter and the QWERTY keyboard for English typing. Kannada provides at least an equal or better speed words per minute rate compared to the QWERTY keyboard for typing English as well as the Indian languages. In Kannada design, there is no need for a shift key to key in uppercase characters. A single key is there for lowercase, a separate single key is there for uppercase. So this way, in typing a language like English with upper and lower case, the strain of using a second key is reduced. On a QWERTY layout keyboard, the letters are not laid out in the learning sequence of ABCD. On Kannada layout, you will see the English alphabets are mainly displayed as the ABCD sequence to which the student has been introduced in the first English study. The number pad is easily accessible within reach of alphabet clusters. Unlike QWERTY keyboard, where the numbers are on a separate row or by the side, the number clusters are placed in one convenient block in Kannada along with letters. Please remember, Kannada is indigenization of digital language technology by Brahmi language pedagogy. We are mapping Roman alphabet characters to Brahmi phonetic and script layout. This is avoiding Romanization representation of Indian languages in digital data creation. This is not mirroring English system of Romanization. Kannada layout is not a mirror of QWERTY layout, or it is overlaid on the QWERTY. Yoga Samskritam methodology starts with Brahmi language character set, sequence, sorting order, phonetics and mapping of English character set. The roots of English language go to Latin and Greek, stepping through Latin diacritic marks detailed in International Phonetic Association documents. And this diacritics is one small step in Kannada exercise. And Romanization, the young students at schools may not get the full impact of this, but using digital technology, Romanization is a deep issue in the digital standards. Romanization is a convention to scripting non-English languages of world using Roman alphabet characters and Latin diacritic markers. International Phonetic Association is the body foundation for this notation. Don't rush. We are building language specific foundation for future linguistic and digital linguistic studies. Literature is a superstructure and finished product made out of language elements and creative construction of poet or writer. Strong foundation of language basics is critical for advanced pursuit of science and humanities, which need language applications to output business communication documents, technical literature, and creative composition as literature and philosophy. Why is this effort relevant? We have to develop a national language technology which meets nations language data in nations language voice and script. Romanization systems and Roman script spelling conventions are currently operational. We have to have nation specificity in this work. Now, why are we focused on the keyboard and the Brahmi language layout? Sanskrit literacy or Brahmi language literacy cannot be built on English-like language pedagogy and script representation. A is not A, Ka is not K. Is C to be mapped to Ka or Cha? Considering all these things, Kannada keyboard presents a layout called Akatada, which is Swara Vyanjana organized layout. We'll get more familiar with this keyboard later. A-I-E before ABCD is required for learning English through Indian languages. A-I-E is to be on its own merits without ABCD crutches. We facilitate A-I-E learning alongside ABCD. Now we come back to our main focus. Learn English school text through Indian languages. We start with learning numbers first before the letters. The step 1 is numeracy. Now take a look at the Kannada keyboard layout. In this layout, you will see the Kannada language or Brahmi language phonetics in clusters. A, E, here, U, then AI, these swaras are there, and then the Vyanjanas, Ga. This is the learning sequence of the clusters in the Indian language. What about English? You will see it here, mapped in a stepped way. A, B, C, lowercase. Capital A, capital B, capital C, uppercase. So the first three letters ABC, capital ABC are in the first cluster. We will come to this X later towards the end. And in the second cluster we have got D, E, F, lowercase on the top, uppercase below. The next, after D, E, F, G, H, I, three letters in the cluster. Then we go to the next one, I, J, K, L, M, N, okay, the same sequence. So we come to the last, this one, S, T, U, that is where the three letter clusters stop. Then we get slow down, V, and then we jump to the next one, W, lowercase, uppercase. The last three, X, Y, Z, a common expression in English, you will see here, X, Y, Z, lowercase, and right below that equal distance, capital X, capital Y, capital Z. So, English alphabets laid out on Kannada template is three letters A, B, C, D, E, F, like this three letter clusters which are sitting, lowercase at the top, uppercase at the bottom. The beginning starts with the three letters A, B, C, D, E, F, like this, and then after you cross S, T, U, slow down V, W, and then X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z in the middle. So once we get this very simple understanding, and notice that there is no need for a shift key to type uppercase A or uppercase D or uppercase X. There is no need to map A to A, K to K, K to Ka, G to Ga like this. You see the simplicity. This simplicity, once captured, it will make learning English simpler on the Kannada keyboard. Now let's get back to the previous this one. So the step 1 is numeracy. Familiarize number character mapping on Kannada layout. So I go back to the number mapping. The numbers are here, the same place where the Indian language numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Just have to switch to the English layout and type the numbers. So the number clusters are in the same block as the alphabet cluster block. There is no need for a separate number keypad or jump onto the top row. So once we are familiar with this number positioning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, it is far easier to go to the next level. Now you are familiar with the numbers, locations. Start using the keyboard. Type the numbers from 1 to 10, saying it loudly. You will see the finger movement, how smooth it is. Type numbers from 1 to 100. Type date in numbers. This is a simple exercise to familiarize. Learning numbers is the first step. So these figures show very clearly where the number blocks are sitting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a break. 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And then you have got the complete English literacy on your hand. Now we go to the next step of the operators: plus, minus, divide, multiply, greater than, less than, equals. So now that you have the numbers learned, start typing the math table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, then 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So this will help you to get your fingers firmly anchored to the number layout on Kannada keyboard. The next one, we are going for the familiarization of the English characters on the Kannada keyboard. Remember, there is no caps or shifts key in Kannada. The caps and lowercase letters are mapped sequentially in rows one below other. This was explained in this particular layout. You saw that uppercase at the bottom, lowercase at the top. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and then slow down V, jump W, then horizontally X, Y, Z, capital X, Y, Z. So what do we do with this? We start typing the uppercase letters A, B, C, D up to Z in sequence. Then type the lowercase letters A to Z in sequence. So once you become familiar with the uppercase letters typing and the lowercase letters typing, start mix and match. Lowercase a, capital A. Lowercase b, uppercase B. Lowercase c, uppercase C. So like this, you can practice the mix and match of the lowercase and the uppercase. What is the great convenience? There is no shift key. There is no caps lock key. So this reduces the strain on the memory or the finger map. Now let's go to the current way. How are we learning English and through English the Kannada? So there is a government approved Indian language learning layout, and this has been produced in several softwares. So you can see here that the layout is based on where the availability of the key is there. You see, for A is marked. For S, Sa is marked. For D, Da is marked. Ga is marked for G, H for Ha. So this is approximating the Indian language sound to the Roman character English sounds. Kannada does not have to do that. English language sounds, spelling, characters are given unique way. Then just switch the language switch and you have got the Indian language characters with their own sounds. And where do we find this? In the softwares right now. In the softwares, this romanization model is incorporated in our word editors. If you go to a standard word processor like MS Word, go to Insert, Symbol, and then you will see the entire fonts drop down. You will see one line here highlighted. I have highlighted that for the Devanagari A character, and it says here what is the romanized equivalent used in standards, and here you will find the Unicode character. So if you type this Unicode character, the number sequence given here, and put alt X, you will get this display. And this display visual symbol is read by the machines as this romanized phonetic A. So A is read as A by the machines. So this is where we have the challenge of screen-based text readers, text to voice, and same thing, voice to text. With Kannada, this will not be the case. You have separate Unicode for each character, separate layout, and unique sounds which can be connected. Okay? So we explained this English alphabet layout and Kannada layout, lowercase, uppercase. It's a natural sequence, cluster of threes, stepped position. Okay, it's easy to remember. You don't have to look for A in the second row and then B somewhere in the third row and then C behind and D in the second row again. No, you have a very sequential simple thing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, the 333 characters which are coming, and it ends with X, Y, Z, lowercase on the top, uppercase on the bottom. Notice the character sets are unit of 3, there is no cap shift key, and now you start practicing the document creation of the English letters. So the formatting requirement needs to identify the keys for formatting symbols, comma, full stop, open quote, close quote, exclamation mark, left bracket, right bracket, semicolon, colon, question mark, separator dash, asterisk mark, percentage, rupee symbol, at symbol, four different parentheses. These are all distributed on the Kannada keyboard, or if you are having the regular laptop keyboard or a desktop keyboard, you have all the symbols available there. So as a study plan, follow the exercises provided in practice book sequentially till you get a 100% score. Learner can take any number of repeats to learn and practice. Go to the next lesson only after perfecting the foundation of previous lessons. Learner can always get back to the previous lessons for practice and revision. Take text-based exercises as provided in the learning course and see how good your progress is. So summing up, in this session, we explained several features. What is our goal? Who is our audience? What is our customer identification? What are the needs? What are the challenges of Romanization? And what is our contribution to the nation's digital literacy and numeracy policy? The uniqueness of the Kannada keyboard, then challenge of Romanization. Then we explained how we have looked at the English language characters over the Indian language Brahmi template and made into three character sets, how we have managed numbers. With this information now, look at the QWERTY keyboard by the side of Kannada. English keyboard shows two layouts. Top row linear organization with alphabets 1 to 0. Separate layout as number pad in some keyboards. It's a cluster of 3 or 4 by 4 matrix. So on a total review, in this session, you have got a method and system called Yoga Sanskritam methodology to learn English through Indian languages. Okay, thank you and feel free to ask any questions.